Hey guys, so, Joe here. I started refurbishing this, and, it's an old thing, you know. I'm like, yeah, whatever. I still have to loosen this up. Damn. I'll do that after the recording. Oh my god. Ugh. Yep, that's good. And, I got the circuit board over there. It works still. I think it's burnt out or something. I lost control, so I'm probably just gonna get a chip and put on band 10. Nothing's in the servo right here. I'm actually putting a tiny servo, attaching it, like, I don't know, somewhere. I don't know. Probably, like, right there, so it does that. Missing 2 gears. The diff is locked. And the dog bone, bearings, everything. Anybody wants to donate, you can donate. Thank you, please. I don't know if it's burnt out or anything, but yeah. Well, I was making it like, okay, this is my old body. I mean, like, this is my crash test body. I mean, taking screws off, extra screws. I'm like, you know what? I don't even need a body because I just bashed the shit out of this one. Sometimes I'm wrong with the body and I get disgust. I don't know why this is happening because I run on smooth surfaces. Really cool, all the guys. This I can understand. Sometimes a rock or something. Sometimes to run outside. Now I understand why that. Sometimes over there. Yours will always use them. They last so long, the new ones. Not even a default motor because that one, they always burn out. Using like a toy, like a little disc launcher thing. I don't even know the company of them are. They're really good motors. I want to get a plasma motor, but in here it goes flying. I need to fix it though. The suspension in the back. It's the body. Painted one little kid and messed up right there. Don't know why I painted the red. Just to make it look good. My sister used my new one and it does that. I think this was a audio area. I'm not sure. Please comment it. When I was young, I wanted to drift with a truck and see how it would turn out. Here it is. Don't. This is in the future, I know. But if you're getting a truck or any of them, get a lift kit if you have one of them still. Is there a stream? No, it sounds like there is. I don't know. I put that just to put cool, you know, flip it and everything. It would be so cool. I actually still have my controller to the street. I think a Duracell battery. Let me check this. Yep. Duralock, I mean. They're so good. They last forever. I mean, even... Nah, I'm probably gonna do another video of it running. I also have the newest version, which is over there. I'm actually take it out. And I think this is what, 14th scale? 16th. So, yeah, I mean, look at this thing. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put the body on. So, give me a second. No, I'm probably gonna end up using the back end. Just admire how much Xmods come through the other body, because it's better. just line the controllers up. Right, okay. So look how big they come. That's like a 24th scale, I think, and this is 16th. And to make it all better, here's an iPhone 4 case. This is basically pocket-sized. I mean, you have to take like a bag or something. I don't know, carry it around. Okay, what I recommend running on the bigger, bulkier or something is here. I run. This battery just used for like extra, just any other battery too. I use a lithium chargeable battery, which I'll take out actually. I don't think you can get these either. I hate these. I can't do it with one hand. I'm used to doing it with two sometimes. What's that? Chargeable Naimai 3000 digital. Wait, is this lithium? I'm pretty sure I saw it as lithium. I'm checking right now. Nope, I thought there was a lithium. And then 4 energizers are chargeable. Look at this lithium. Rechargeable battery it works with these ones. So, oh, wrong way. Yeah. This thing runs like a beast. This thing, you can submerge it, give it a couple minutes or hours just to, I even did in ice cold water. This thing still runs. Definitely did improve the suspension, digital proportion, and everything. Body isn't strong though. I mean, look, and that was like one day, too. I just start carving my name in. Whatever, it's not that bothering on the top. Just really strong on the top. Now, here's the difference between the controllers. This one changes the stereo right from that. To this thing. That, you mean? I mean, no, you can't, actually. It feels cheaper in plastic. I mean, it feels cheap and stuff. Only on and off switch. This, however, feels hobby grade, basically. It's not, comfortable. You can change it and stuff. You can change the, it's not focusing. On and off switch. Okay, so this is like, okay, let's turn to the right side. It's for right hand people, left for left. That's good, because most people don't do that when they're RC car. No one actually does that. That's really good. I'm right hand, so yeah. Then you can switch it for high to low speeds, which for little kids, and trim. And the antenna, which is about the size of the new Xmod, actually, and bigger. But the good thing about this controller is that is pocket size too. Just do this. I think it's like a stopper thing. But when I say this as pocket size, this is too. I have pretty tiny like jogging pants on in summer. But sweatpants, and that almost fits completely into my pocket. Seriously. And now it's like the same size as the car itself. And I'd rather just I can't even bend I'll bring this in the pocket. I mean, can't fit that in my pocket. So what I'm saying is bring back the old Xmods. So use these ones for like the tiny kids. I mean, and for the old kids. I mean, this is strong and all, but I did a race between this one, the 16 scale, and I believe this is a 24 scale. This one won. This is older. This is newer AA batteries too. Like, I'm like, okay, so maybe the batteries. So I got brand new energizers. Like, nope, it did not work either. This still won. Even with these rechargeable, even upgraded battery, not much faster. It's actually cheaper to run on rechargeable batteries than the actual battery itself. So, yeah. I have the old battery. I'm actually thinking of making my own one right there from the old parts. So yeah, if you have any suggestions on where I can get cheap or free parts for my old Xmods, please tell me in the comments below, and thank you. Bye.